Hello guys, this is another decor at Pacific Place. Another decoration guys for this Chinese New Year. Ah, Talagang mas maganda ito at mas malaki. Pero lahat sila maganda. But this one is more big. Guys, let's see how big and laki. And this red color. Ayan guys, very nice talaga. And another yellow. And of course, our flowers. Chinese monetary flowers. A360 natin ang view. Ayan guys.